All right, guys, biggest steals of the year so far when it comes to sneakers. Should be a dope freaking video. Let's get right to it.
Look at this. What the? $35? $35, really? Holy cow. Holy cow. They're slightly big. I do have a size 11 at home. These might work, dude. $35? $35. I might have to grab one, dude. Lakers colorway. What the hell, really? Wow, the only size they got is a size 12. Holy crap. Holy crap. And looks to be in good condition. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong with size 12. Really? I might have checked the size 10 and a half one more time. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God, I have to grab these. I gotta grab them. I love these 574s. Look at the price. Look at the price. 25 bucks. $25. Holy crap. Long hair suede. I love 574s. $25. Oh my God. Someone did hit me up recently. Someone was like, hey, can you help me get some Tatum 2s for grade school? And I looked online. They were all $90. Look here. 45. Get another 20 or another 40% off. Man. And I don't see any big issues with them. They are slightly imperfect. I'm like, is that it right there? That little mark? I don't see anything else wrong with them. You know? I don't know, but hella cheap. $27 after discount. I might have to grab these for him. Yo! Jordan 1 no OGs? Really? Jordan 1 no OGs for 60 freaking dollars? Oh my God. Do I have? Yeah, this is a men's. Do I have to grab one?
What size do you have in that?
This might be the only.
Gotta check the sales rack. 574 for $30. Almost as cheap as the one that I found. I'm not a fan of the all buck leather one though. I don't have any that are all buck. Most of mine are at least a majority suede, but this looks like a size 10 too. This looks like a size 10, 10 and a half. That is my size. I'm gonna have to say no because I already have 3 of these 574s and I'll probably find more. I'm just not a huge fan of this material. The material is okay, but not great. $30, hell of a deal, hell of a deal. Yo, look at this. Look at this. I was like, this is my size, I think. $50 for this. Man, Ultra Boost, such a great price. I'm not a huge fan of the Boost being white right there. I have one where it's black, and I think I have one where it's like a grayish color. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pass on these because I have 2 Ultra Boosts that I haven't worn, but look at the price on these. This is dope. This is such a dope colorway. $50 freaking dollars. All right, checking the women's section. They got some men's shoes here. These are size 9 and a half. Adizero Adios Pro 3s. The 4th one just came out, but this is one of their premier running shoes. These retail for $250. $250. This is a men's. It's a men's. It says ladies, but it is a men's 9 and a half. Man, I'm talking about right here. $230. Get another freaking 30% off. That's what I'm talking about. I wish I could find one my size. They have a nice little sales rack now where they only have one item. These $30. Oh, F you guys. Really? Oh man, do I have to grab these? And they only have size 10s left. God dang it, am I gonna have to grab these? I might have to. But look, I already got one of these, but I'm gonna have to grab another. And I do have a size 12, size 11's my size, but look at the price. 40% off on top, so $36. And then this right here, look at this. Look at this. You got these Royal Reimagines right here. And you won't believe the price. These are going for $100. $100 effing dollars. Are you serious? Serious? Man. $60 after the savings. Holy cow. I did find these. Look at this. $43. They're more up tempo. Refurb, gently worn. Damn. What? What? Tell me the price is right on these. $55? Are you serious? $55 for Jordan 38s? Really? Oh my goodness. I hope they mismarked the size because these don't look that big. Oh, these are women's size 12. Women's size 12. Look at this. What the hell? The Mars yards? Not what these are called. The Mars. I forgot what the hell. But yeah, 150. I haven't seen these in forever. You do get a discount on these now. So $30. $30 Jordan 2s. I think I paid 28 for them. And they do have a 10.5. They do have a 10.5. They don't have all sizes. They have several sizes here and there. What is going on here? Size 14? Size 14? Are you serious? Are you effing serious? 14's not even that bad of a size. $20. Such a effing... Oh, here's a size 10. What the hell? Oh, hell yeah. Size 10. I'm gonna... Ooh. No... Ooh, this one has spikes and everything. What? What? $20? Hell yeah, we came up. Came up. Much? But they do got these. They got these 40% off. No box top. Box top's kind of like the dopest part, but is that worth like $80? The box top worth $80? Nah. All right, do you got one of these? I'm gonna spend it on this. Worker just brought this out. This is a size 8. Size 8. Oh my God. And they kept the box top. Are you serious? Oh my God. I got so happy because I thought this was my size because she was about to put it over there near the size 10s. I was like, oh my God, no way. God dang it. With box top and 40% off. Are you effing serious? You effing serious? Quick Strike Kobe's. Would college kids be okay with these, or a college girl, like a 20-year-old? I might have to grab $30. $30 for Stadium. What are these? Stadium 90s, I think they're called. The Jordan Stadiums. Look at these. Look at these. Pretty sure that's a $70 freaking dollars. $70, 40% off. 40% off. Really? Really? Holy crap. Look at these. Look at these. These are down to $36. $36 for Jordan 1 Hot OGs. We're on 2s right here. Pretty dope colorway. Where the hell are the laces at though? These have been marked down to $38. This is actually a dope colorway. This is size 12. 12 women's. Damn, dude. Where the laces at, man? Where the hell? The laces at for $38. Happen to see these. Look at this. Look at this. I'm grabbing these 2 items. I'm gonna grab this for my pops. 9.5 men's, and then I'm grabbing these. I saw a reseller with a ton of the 6s. What? What? Oh my goodness, these are the ones that I wanted. These are the Invincible runs. Really? Finally found these. Holy crap. Not the size I need though. These are size 7. I think I might know someone who might want a size 7. Found these for my kiddo. They're the suede pandas materials. Pretty nice on these. I might have to get these for my kid. 40% off. Jordan 3s for $100. Jordan 3s for $100. $100. That's what I'm talking about. We're back to $100 Jordans here. Jordan retros. Damn, that is fire. And I've been saying if I find these, I need to get them. And look at the price. Look at the price. $100 freaking dollars. Oh my goodness. I want these so freaking bad. I know financially I shouldn't get them. I do have the money for them, but I know I shouldn't. These are smaller sizes. Look at this SB Dunks. SB Dunks right here. $60 for the SB Dunk highs. GT Jump 2 is another one. It is a smaller size, a size 8. Pretty decent size, $60. We've been seeing these at the outlets for $100, so cheaper than the Nike outlets. Wow. Yo, it's about time. Really? Size 11. God dang it. 11's too big for me. 11's too big. $57. That's definitely the price I want to pay too. $100 off. And this one I do have one of these. I got them for $48. There's someone hooked me up with them for $48 that they got at the Citadel. But $80, not bad. Look at this. Look at this. $60. $60 for Ultra Boost. Are you serious? They're just bigger sizes. They are size 11 women, so size 10 men's. $30 and then an extra 20% off of that. So that's what, 20 something bucks? Look at this, look at this. He definitely knew who I was, so subscriber. And look at this, $50 for this colorway right here. Oh my goodness, I told myself I'm gonna stop buying stuff like this. I'm gonna try it on at least. But $30 for these after the 40% off? $30, dog, really? Really? Damn, too bad the smaller sizes aren't. 'Cause I know someone who would want these, but size 11 though, $50 minus 40 off. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it. Do I need them? No. Do I like them? Yeah, I do. I do. Yo, this is what I've been looking for. I forgot these are women's. I've been checking out the women's. I do have these at home. All right, grabbing both pairs. I think I got people for both of them. I think they might be gifts. $150 for 2 pairs. Man, I can't believe they got these here. What the f***? Really? Really? I cannot believe. These are 10 and a half. I cannot believe they have these here. My 2020 pair. My 2020 pair is still super clean, so I can't really justify buying these. And then I did find a Pegasus Plus right here. Look at this. $50 for these, which means, what, $30 after the 40% off? Holy crap. What? I did hear that people have been finding these, got these. Is this a women's? Women's Rejuvenate? That's crazy. 25 bucks. 25 bucks. These are size 7 women, so that's what, a size 6 men's apparently. Boom, it separates. Look at this. Look at this, $35. And then 40% off on top. Holy crap. I feel like I should grab this for somebody. That's just crazy. And I think these are the Alma Maniers, you guys. Alma Manier Air Forces. 50 bucks for Alma Manier Air Forces. This is my size, but I'm not a huge fan of the Forces. Let's say refurb right there, but what's an LE? This is Air Force One LE. I don't know, but dang, that's definitely the cheapest, especially with that 40 off. Like 25 bucks for Air Force Ones. They got more up here as well. Wow. And then this is the stuff I've been looking for, you guys. I do have these at home, so I'm definitely grabbing these. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. Grabbing these, and then I think I can still return my pair.
All right, guys, that was the biggest steals and deals of the year. I didn't buy everything because I can't afford it. I didn't buy everything. I did buy quite a few of the things that I did show you guys. Probably too much. I do regret not buying those 574s. It's the white and the brown ones. I thought those were pretty dope while I was watching. I was like, dang, why didn't I get those? I should have got the zoom separates. Could have given those to somebody. But yeah, plenty of steals, you guys. Be patient. I think Nike outlets are 20% now. I think they're back to 30 or 40. I think they've gone back up. So be patient. If the price ain't right, don't pull the trigger unless it's like a super dope release that you have to get. I think we can be patient with stuff. But yeah, while you guys are watching this, I'm out in Korea. I think this is the last video as I need to head to the airport in a few hours. But yeah, this is the last video I was able to edit. Hopefully I can get you some lives or something out there. By the time you're watching this, hopefully I've already thrown up some lives or I've already done something. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get you guys videos. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Biggest steals of the year so far. In the comment section, let me know what you guys have found. Let me know some of the craziest steals you guys have found, and you know, we can communicate in the comment section. But yeah, I got plenty coming. Half of the year is already done. Kind of crazy. But yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.